In this video, we're going to show you how to install a damper into our Aptos pump. We actually provide the screws, the nut washers, and the washers, as well as some zip ties so you can easily install the damper. We will then slide the damper into our pump, like so. You need to add a split washer, then the washer to the screw. Just pass it through the slot. And all you do is just hand tie it like so. Leave it a little loose so you can put the rest on. And then go ahead and turn it the opposite and do the same operation. Split washer and washer and screw. When installing the damper into our Aptos pump, make sure you have a small gap, kind of like a 1/16 of separation, so you don't get any vibrations when pumping. And then after that, go ahead and tighten your screws. Remember to do one side and then the other for proper installation. And now you're ready to untangle the cord from the damper and pass it through and over the other side. Make sure you create a small little loop, just like so. And then get a zip tie. Remember, we will supply you with zip ties. And take the cord. Make sure you go inside the little gap, just like so. And then use your zip tie gun. And connect the damper. And all you do here is create a little loop so you can zip tie the rest of the axis, just like that. And go ahead and use your zip tie gun. And that's how you install a damper in our Aptos pump. To install the loop that comes with the damper, make sure that the longest nut goes into the damper and the smallest goes into your outlet. This is very important and very critical for proper installation. And just hand tie it like so. And after that, use a quarter wrench. Make sure you don't over tighten it. Once it's tight, give it a quarter turn and you'll be all set. Same thing with the bottom for the outlet. And that's how you properly install a damper in our Aptos pump.